The Thunderbolt, nicknamed the Jug because of its shape, was the heaviest single-engine fighter of World War II. Its service United States and its allies on all fronts. It used both as a fighter-bomber and pursuit aircraft. It was legendary for its diving speed, lethal firepower, 850 caliber machine gun mounted in the wings, and ability to absorb several damage, and it still bring pilot home its 65th Squadron aircraft while service in Italy in 1945. More than 11,000 B-25 bombers in their variations from A to G between 1938 to 1946. This is a type of bomber used by General Jimmy Doolittle in his famous raid on Tokyo, and later become one of the first and was successful planes to carry a 75mm cannon. This particular ship was flown in the Dominican Republic and never saw service with the USSAF. The nose art is typically of the type used by U.S. force in World War II. It was powered by two 1,700 HP Wright R2600 engine and had a range of 1,315 mile at speed up to 275 mile per hour. The Sikorsky CH-548 Tarhe is an American twin-engine heavy-lift helicopter designed by Sikorsky Aircraft for the United States Army. It is named after Tarhe, an 18th-century chief of the Wyandot Indian tribe whose nickname was the Crane. The Grumman G14B Tomcat is powered by General Electric augmented turbofan F110 GE400 engine, each rated at 23,100 pounds of thrust. Was introduced in November 1987. It was much improved and powerful version of F-14A, which first entered fleet service in 1947. The wings swing extending to a span of 64 feet during takeoff and landing and retracting to a span of 38 feet for high-speed operations. It could carry up to 14,500 pounds of armaments, including Sparrow, Sidewinder, and Phoenix air-to-air missiles or air-to-surface missiles, and it had 20mm cannon. Top speed was 1,545 miles per hour. It could reach an altitude 60,000 feet in 2 minutes and 6 seconds and had a range of 2,000 miles. Gift of Goodyear. The museum's control car is from Airship K-28, one of 134 K-category airships built by Goodyear in Akron, OH between 1938 and 1944 for the purposes of anti-submarine patrol and convoy protection, mine sweeping, search and rescue, and photography.
There's a thing right here. Mama, Papa, it's bald. Bald.
Only 4 K-ships were available for operations at the time of the Japanese attack on Pearl Harbor on December 7, 1941. K-28 was delivered to the U.S. Navy at Lakehurst, New Jersey in December 1942 and was assigned to Blimp Squadron ZP-14. The fleet of reliable blimps was steadily increased to a strength of over 15 squadrons, and were used along the U.S. East and West coastal waters, the South American, American coast, the Gulf of Mexico, the Caribbean Sea, and later in the war included one stationed in French Morocco, North Africa, protecting the waters of the Mediterranean.